30 watts, same size as the original Apple 5 watts charger. Slightly larger, but 6 times more powerful. Is it true? Let's take a look. Let me plug in this thing to the power meter, kilowatt. Oh, by the way, I also have a USB meter. Let's plug in this one in the middle. Still 0 watts or undetectable. Power consumption, that's good because there has been no load connected yet. Plug in the lightning cable. That's our iPhone 11. We're also gonna test the MacBook Pro. I have everything set up with a USB Type-C cable later. Okay, the wattage is around 18 watts and dropping a little bit. My iPhone's battery level is around 35%, 38%. $14 watts according to the USB meter. $14.16. Yeah, if we were using the original charger, it's gonna give us only 5 watts. Okay, let's try the MacBook Pro, which is around 82%. That's the coconut battery. Okay, let's disconnect the iPhone. It's pretty stable at 15.8 watts, 15 watts. Let's disconnect. And by the way, this is a very high quality USB-C cable. All right, it's not meant to charge a MacBook Pro, but if it can charge the MacBook Pro at 30 watts and is taking in the charge, it takes a while to refresh the wattage. But if you look at here, it says the power source is power adapter, 86%. So it is, maxed out. So it's doing the maximum possible wattage from that little charger. I can charge the MacBook Pro, which is not what it's designed for. It's probably designed for the iPhone and iPad, but if I can charge this thing, it can charge all the smaller devices, right? 86%, and we can see it's pulling all the power at 30 watts, which is the correct rated wattage as shown on its package. There are lots of other output combinations, but for the MacBook Pro is taking the 20 volts, focus here, 20 volts, 1.4 amps, right there. 28.4 watts to be more exact. So yes, that is the most compact charger I have ever seen. Well, surprisingly powerful. I'm still amazed by its compact size if you compare it with the original iPhone charger. Good stuff. Thank you very much for watching.